Hi everyone, my name is Neenu and welcome to What's Your Hobby? In the previous episode, we saw the major types of weather. And in this episode, we'll be learning about the major types of climate of our planet. So, the climate of a place can be defined as its average weather pattern for a long period of time. In this session, let's see the most prominent types of climate. No two places have the exact same climates, but the climates of our planet can be classified based on the many similarities they exhibit. The most important climates are tropical, polar, and temperate. Let's now take a look at these one by one. We'll first see what tropical climates are. The tropical climate is found in places near the equator. So, the climate is usually very warm and the average temperature is above 18 degrees Celsius. The rainfall is also pretty abundant in some places under this climate zone. In general, the temperature is more or less constant and such places are usually very hot and humid. The next type of climate we are going to take a look at is the polar climate. The polar climate is found in the places that lie between the polar region and the tropical region. So it's found in the north and south poles. The places with this climate are covered with snow and ice, and the climate is very colder than the remaining parts of the planet. The reason for this is that the amount of sunlight these places receive is very less, and the south pole is even colder than the north pole. The next type of climate we are going to take a look at is the temperate climate. The temperate climate is found in places that lie between the polar region and the tropical region. If you happen to visit a place with temperate climate, then you will not be able to experience extreme temperature or extreme rainfall. Thus, the climate is moderate in comparison with tropical and polar regions. And these places usually have cooler winter temperatures. The winters are short and somewhat rainy, and the summers can be considered to be warm and dry. So, in this episode, we saw three different climate zones: the tropical, the polar, and the temperate zones. I hope that you all loved this session on different types of climate. See you all in a new video. Till then, take care and keep watching What's Your Hobby?